Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. I am trying to get these videos out for you guys. I have a lot of videos in the archives that need to be edited and put out, but this is a new video, a new product review video. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment below and let me know if you're new to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And today's product review is going to be on some hair. If you have not checked out this hair review on this hair, the Lazar hair, then make sure you click the bubble above and check that video out. And let's get right into this video, guys. So I received some hair from Sedittyhair.com. This is the packaging it came in. It says back to real, back to natural. Then it has their information on it, which I will be putting everything you need to know about this hair in the description box below, and the pricing, the lengths, and everything else you need to know in the thing. So this is the packaging inside of the little baggie. It's very nice packaging. It says process, dye, bleach, and perm. So you can dye, bleach, and perm this hair. I love the packaging. I love that it came in a nice little baggie individually, and it has the lengths on the side of the package. So this one is a 16, and it is the body wave. Let me see if I can get that so you guys can see. Yeah, so that's a 16-inch in the body wave, and then we have a 12-inch body wave. And it also has all of them have the same packaging. And then we have a drop the hair, girls. Let's focus. Okay, then we have a 14-inch. We have the 14-inch body wave. So we have a 14, a 12, and a 16 in the body wave. And that is all that came in the packet. So we're going to get to opening these up. I love that it has a little, you just pop it open, then it has a little scrunch on the side. Just keeps it in place. So when you take it out, it also has their label on it. I'm loving the wave so far. And it has unprocessed, 100% human hair. It says you can dye, bleach, and perm this hair. So which I will be dyeing this hair. So I will be showing you guys in a part 2 video how it bleached. How the bleach turned out and how well did it take the dye. So yeah, let's go on to the next bundles. I'm going to take them all out so that we can see. So this is the next bundle. It is wrapped the same, and this one is the 12-inch, and that other one was the 14. So now I'm going to take the 16 out. And I love the fact that they label each one outside of the baggies as well. So this is, I got 3 bundles, and like I said, it's a 12, a 16, a 12, and a 12 and a 14, and it is in the body wave. So I'm going to take one out so we can kind of test it. Oh my god, guys, I have a lot of stuff everywhere that I need to get out and show you guys and give you a review on. And I'm trying, which I have a great story time for you guys. It's probably going to give you guys a laugh. At the time, it didn't give me a laugh, but it was going to give you guys a laugh. So, okay, so this is the hair outside of all of the packaging. And so far I'm not getting any just like one 2 strings of shedding. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but this is the hair, and this is outside the rubber band. This one might be a little bit, doesn't have the little wave still in it because of how it was inside of the packaging, but it's very soft. Not seeing any gray hairs or anything in it, but this is the hair. And I will be installing this hair. I'll be making a wig out of this hair, and I will be dyeing this hair honey blonde. I think I might just do it on the ends, but I'm not sure. I might do the whole bundle, but I think I'm going to do it just on the ends of the hair, and then leave the top in its natural state. But I will leave everything you need to know about these bundles in the description box below. And if you guys want to check this company out, then I will leave their link in the description box as well. I will leave the pricing on the screen and everything about this, and the bundle links in the screen too. And don't forget to check this company out. And there will be a part 2 coming out soon. Just give me a little time, guys, because I got a lot going on. But give me a little time. Yes, I will have everything you guys need in the description box. I have a lot of stuff going on. That's why I'm getting phone calls. But I will have a lot of everything you guys need in the description. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. I am Miss Hollywood, and I am signing out. Bye-bye.